Hi everyone, it's Emilia here. Welcome to my YouTube channel and to a new video. Today I will be making gorgeous miniature pumpkins. These are super cute. I have made quite a lot last night and I thought I will share the video with you. I had a similar video last year for different colored pumpkins with a glitter, but these are a bit different. This one is from last year, very similar, but these are a bit different. That's why I want to make another video. So to do the pumpkins, I will be using them, by the way, in the exploding box, in that gorgeous crate, but it's not sticked to it yet. And I'm doing them in that color because I want them to match the newest Lemoncraft collection, which is designed with me, and it's got colors like that. So you can see the mint and purple and blue pumpkins here, and this is what I'm just doing to match that paper collection. So to create a pumpkin you will need air dry clay. I've got that from Fortune Craft Bar. It's extra light. It is very light and it's a bit flexible when it's dry. Then you need a bone folder or a ruler, something with a quite pointy and quite flat edge. Then you will need a little sticks. That's a stick, and these are the offcuts from the flowers, so you could use a wire, something to create those swirly details if you want to have them, of course, because you can have a pumpkin just without anything on the top, just with that little stick on the top. And then you will need some brushes, one bigger and one smaller, water and some paints. So I am using acrylic paints. I actually use these colors because these match the paper collection, but obviously you can create them in any color you want, and you will just need tiny bit of a paint. Okay, I'll put the paint there. So let's start with the shaping. You will just need a little piece of a clay and just make it smooth in your hands first, and then we will roll a ball. This one is maybe too big, so I will do two. Okay, so we've got a ball. I will make one bigger, one smaller. Okay, so I'm just shaping it so it's quite round. It doesn't need to be perfect. So I've got those two, and now I will create these grooves on the side of the pumpkin. So I'm starting on the top with the edge, and I will just go down, okay, to the kind of middle of my circle. Then I will start this at the same point, and then I will go down. Let me just focus that. I hope you can see it. Okay, and I will go around and I will create 5 lines. I mean, you can do more or less. I like to do 5. Okay, so we've got something like that, and now I will just push it from the top and the bottom to make it slightly flat. And we've got the first one, the bigger one, is ready, and I will do the same with the little one. I will show you now with the ruler. It works the same. So I'm starting on the top and just going down. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. The spacing between the lines doesn't need to be perfect. You can have bigger and smaller spaces. Alright, now I will take scissors and cut 2 pieces of that tiny stick, and I will press it in the middle of on the top of the pumpkin. Press it in, because when the clay will dry, the stick will be held in it. Okay, and then a slightly bigger, longer one for the bigger pumpkin. I'm just pushing it in, and now I will create those swirly things. So I take a little brush and I just go around my end of the brush with that twig, I don't know, the piece of wire, whatever you have. Okay, and I will push that into the pumpkin as well, in the middle. So we've got something like that. Oops. And actually this will need to be placed on the side to dry. Now I will maybe create a little another swirl for the bigger pumpkin, and I will show you how to paint on the one which is dry already or almost dry. I will put that on the side. These are like half dry, so we can paint them. Let me just show you how to do it. Okay, let's start painting. I will take a tiny dots of a paint. I will be mixing few colors together because my pumpkins are quite colorful this time, but obviously you can use any colors you want. And I'm using acrylic paints, but I think the watercolors would work great as well. I've got one which is a metallic paint. Oh, big drop. But yes, let me just grab a tissue so I can wipe my hands. And I will also use a toothpick just to go. My pumpkins are not super dry yet, so I will just use it to put it in on the bottom of my pumpkin, so I can grab it and I can, yes, so I can hold it like that and then paint. Okay, so I will start with one color, and then maybe let me just take mint, and then I will go with darker color in the grooves. Okay, so I just go around with that color, and it can be stronger or, you know, or just light, whatever you want. If you think it's too dark, just add a little bit of water. It is fiddling a lot, but I guess you'll be able to do it. If I can do it, you can do it. So I will do that. Okay, I don't want this to be perfect, so I'm not worried too much about the painting. And then I will use that smaller brush, oops, just to go into the grooves with the darker color, and then I can smudge it as well. This dark green is really nice. I like it a lot. Alright, and then I will go again with a bit of water over that, so I will also have that green on the sides a little bit. Oh, that's too much water, too much color. Let me just remove a little bit of that. Okay, I think I want to add a little bit more water, or I can go with mint on top of that. I like when they have, you know, few shades, when they look like watercolored. Okay, let me just go on the bottom as well. I don't want to turn it upside down because I'm afraid that it will fall off my stick. So this will take some time to do, but yes. And then I am going to add that mint again and a little bit of that metallic one. So one will be more green and the other one I will do blue and purple. So this is, yes, this is all we need to do here. And that metallic one on top, and I would wait for it to dry, and if I feel that, you know, it's not how I like it, I would add a bit more color. But I do think this one is nice. I like when they're not one flat color, where you can see, you know, different colors, and where it's like quite shabby chic actually. Okay, so I think this is done. Sorry for the noise. Oh, I will remove some color from the top. Okay, this needs to dry, and like I said, if you feel that you need more color, you can always add later. Oops, let me place that here, and then I will just do this one. I wanted this one more like a blue and purple. Let me just try to focus the camera. So I will go with the blue first, and then purple grooves, and maybe a little bit of mint as well. So you know, you can play whatever you want. It's just you can use the colors you need for the project you are making. I will be making exploding box. I will have a video for it as well, and I think in my mind it's already a really nice project, so I hope you will see the video. You can subscribe to my YouTube channel, and then you will be notified when the new video is on my channel, and of course I would really appreciate that. I love to reading your comments. A lot of people say that, you know, I inspire them to create something, and it's just amazing. It's very rewarding, and that's why I'm making the videos, to give you the ideas, to inspire you, to, you know, to give you joy of crafting and creating, making gifts for your family, for your friends. It's, yeah, that's the purpose of my channel. And of course to share my experience. If I know something, I like to tell you what it is and how to make it. Okay, I think I will leave this one like that for now. I know the painting is not perfect, but you know, this is the way I like it. So if you want to knit, you will have to spend much more time painting it. Okay, I will put that to dry, and that's actually everything I wanted to show you today. Let's see, when they dry, they look really, really lovely, and I think they will be great in exploding box. So thank you very, very much for watching today, for joining me for those few minutes. I hope you will be now creating your pumpkins. Thanks a lot. Have a lovely creative day. Bye. Take care.